Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the GoYojo brand, their digital laser tape measure with C-type charging. It'll measure up to 131 feet using the front laser that is right on the front right there. You can see it come on. And it has a 16-foot tape measure which has inches as well as centimeters. You can see right there, inches on the top, centimeters. It has a floating hinge on the back like a lot of tape measures have, but I also noticed that it has a magnet on there, which is great if you're measuring something that's ferromagnetic. You can then have it hold it in place quite easily. Just take into account the offset distance of this, which is like a 32nd of an inch. And it has an automatic lock mechanism, so it works really smoothly. So you pull it out and it locks. Then you just retract it just like that. Really nice. Has a clip on the left side for holding it on your pants or your belt. And you see it has measure. This is for calibration. This is beep on and off. This is another function we're going to go over, and off clear. So the basic operation is you hit that measure button twice and it shoots out the laser, and then you get the actual measurement right there, the 15.48 inches. You can change this to meters if you want. There is a way to do that. The menu talks about that. I like it to be in English. Now what's really interesting about this is that you could do calculations. You could have the distance away from something, and you could do the distance to a ceiling and distance to the floor, and you can use the Pythagorean theorem, which is on here, to determine the area. So that's called the area and volume calculator. So that's really cool. Never seen that before. This has a 1-year warranty, and it gets excellent customer ratings on here. So other things about this: the laser is safe. It is less than 1 milliwatt. You don't want to point it in your eyes, but it's totally safe to use and not worry about it. And the charging on here, if you look right here, there is a charging port right there, and you could put the included A to C cable and any 1 amp or greater charger. You just put that on there like that, push it in, and then it's going to charge the unit. Let's turn this off, hit the off clear right there, and now it's charging, and you can see the little charging symbol right there. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but it is charging it. So what's nice about that is you don't have any batteries to worry about. It's really solid design. Seems very durable when you use this. There is a calibrated distance here from to the back of this. It's 3.2 inches or 82 millimeter, so that if you're measuring something from out to here, you know what to add to the value right there. Really nice. So a lot of times it's really hard to measure something with a long tape measure, which this has. You know, you could do that, but the ability of this to point and shoot at something and get an actual measurement is really handy. And the way you could calculate the area and using the Pythagorean theorem and the volume calculator is pretty cool. I've never seen that before. They do a little arrows showing you and explaining how to do that. And the manual is nicely written. There's a section right here that does go into all that measurement and telling you how to use the actual device itself. Right there you got volume measurement, medial area measurement. So it has everything you need. There's also add, subtract, accumulation function on here, which is great. So, and there's the Pythagorean measurement. They talk about the A, B, and the C, and the X direction. So it's really cool that you can do all those calculations on there using this device. I'm impressed. It's simple to use, and you don't have to worry about batteries again, like I mentioned, and it's not heavy. And the tape measure itself is very high quality, and I like that they included the American and the European measurements, the centimeters, because a lot of these tape measures don't have that. And I think that's important because you can go back and forth and see the conversion of that. And the magnetic tip on there is extremely great when you're trying to measure something that is ferromagnetic. And this is really high quality. You can put this thing way out and it goes right back in. I put it all the way out to the full distance of 16 feet, and it actually worked and retracted beautifully. So what do I think about this Goyo-Joe brand, this digital laser tape measure with the Type-C charging up to 131 feet of that forward laser on there, and the calculations for Pythagorean area and volume calculator, and this excellent mechanical way to measure with inches and centimeters, magnetic end on there. Everything about this is high quality. It works really well. You can charge it and never have to worry about batteries, which is great. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.